see what we can do here. We got the setup right here. Drill brushes. Got the vacuum right there. And yeah, pretty much we'll just see how good we can get my car up to its regular standards. Just had a little stain problem right here. Had to use the carpet extractor. There was like a purple stain right there. I don't know if you guys could tell, but you know, this right here, this works like a beauty. This right here takes off almost every stain that I've faced. So yeah, we'll just see. We'll start vacuuming this and then clean the interior and see what we're left with. So alright guys, so just got done cleaning this back carpet area right here, but as you can see, there's still like some, I don't know what it is. This might be like stains or something, but right now I'm getting the steamer ready, you know, it's warming up. So once this thing is up and running, then we'll be able to get those out pretty easily, and then just get into any dirt that's in these crevices, like right here. Get into those right there. It'll just make the process a whole lot faster. So we got the carpet still. I'll go ahead and vacuum most of it out and then come back with the steamer, hit it, and then we should be good from there. All right, I'm back. I got the steamer ready. Sure. You see that right there? It's like I don't know what it is. It might be gum or something. I don't know what it is, but just watch how easily this takes off. See how it loosened up all that stuff? It's coming off. It's done a little bit more, but yeah. Set it again. Try this. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Let's see what the vacuum does. Alright, see guys, it's coming off. Hit it one last time. Guys, it's gone. This is why it's important to have a good steamer as a detailer, because wow, this thing just runs through any types of stains, anything that I've faced, any gum, any type of stain, really just blows it off, and it does a wonderful job. So yeah. Alright guys, well, as you can see, most of the dirt came off. Well, pretty much all the dirt came off. But the one thing that is, I think this one just needs to be shampooed. It's like stains right there and stuff. There's a lot of dog hair. I do need to get one of those dog hair removal things, because I mean, this brush kind of does it, but not really. And I just feel like with the brush, it should come out very well. But I mean, so far the carpets look pretty good. They just need to be shampooed. Like, these carpets have a lot of like dirt that's inside of them. I feel like you can really tell. But nevertheless, it's just a little, you know, just a little basic clean, nothing too. Alright guys, so that was it for, I guess, like my first sort of mini video. You know, I didn't really do anything much. I mean, just did the carpets and stuff. I had to replace these ones to these. They are a little dirty, but I will probably make a video cleaning those, and then I'm probably going to shampoo my carpets, because as you guys could tell, we took out most of the dirt, but you know, there was still like a bunch of dog hair and just like dirt that's like really trapped inside of the carpets that I couldn't really get out just with the vacuum. You know, it takes the extractor for that to come out. And then also this, I'll also be making a video on this as well, you know, getting this all these stains out and stuff, and that's pretty easy. But there's like a few stains on these, and yeah, so shampoo my carpet, take those stains out, and then clean these up here, because I just had them replaced, because the other ones, they were already pretty beaten up. I mean, they're pretty old already. But yeah guys, that was it for the first video. As I was saying, I'll probably make a video on cleaning those back there, and then these ones I just replaced, and then I'll probably shampoo my carpets, just to show you guys like what the process of that is, because I've never shampooed these carpets. All I've really done is just vacuum them. Never really I never took out the dog hair anywhere. I guess the last owner that had this car just had a lot of dog hair, and it's just with the brush, it does a good job, but I feel like it just does a better job at taking dirt that's trapped in the fibers of the carpet. But these carpets just seem like they've been not taken care of properly. Some parts are like, some areas of the carpet are really hard, and I feel like with a good shampoo, then all that little dirt that's trapped inside of the fiber should come out easily. So I will make a video on that. But yeah, that was it for this first video. So I hope you guys enjoy. You guys check me out on Instagram at Villaseñor Detailing. That's where I do most, if not all, of my business, like of my journey of trying to grow this as a business. You know, I have a lot of other cars there and a lot of my progress over there as well. So if you guys would like to check that out, you guys should give me a follow. And then yeah, if you guys want, you know, to book an appointment with me and I could get your guys' car, you know, back up to shape, then you guys could just message me through Instagram, and you know, I'll respond to you guys as soon as I can. So yeah, but I hope you guys enjoyed, and yeah, catch you guys later.